as we approach the breeding season, attention must be given to the management of heifers. Analysis has shown in herds in both the Midlands and West region that heifers are calving down on average at 27.5 months, which is costing the average 90 cow farmer €6,000 approximately. Today we're on the farm of Kieran and Brendan Brady's to gain an insight on how they're achieving success with their heifer management through this breeding season. Okay Brendan, we're here standing with your batch of heifers here today. Maybe tell us, when was the first time they were on the scales?
First time they were on the scales was September time, so it gives us a bit of chance to get, if they're underweight, we give them nuts to separate them. The lighter ones get separated, so we'll get them back on target on weights, and the heavier ones don't need any nuts, like they'll just be in a separate paddock.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay, so separation, feeding the lighter ones, trying to get them back up on target before you even get to the shed, really.
Yes.
It's the target there.
Yeah, no, that's the idea. So
okay.
It is, yeah.
So then we'll say, if we bring it on, Brendan, and we say, right, first winter, you have them hopefully all back on target weight heading into the shed.
Yeah.
If there is a couple of light ones in the batch.
Yeah, we can still separate them. We have the space to separate them. We have done that before. Last year was an exceptional year. They're all on target, so we didn't have to separate them. So all is going well this year. That doesn't say that next year we might have to separate them. We've no problem in doing that.
Okay, silage quality, Brendan, when they're going into the shed. Like if they're all on target weight, what sort of silage quality are you trying to get into them?
Well, silage quality, we'd have bales, they'll be okay quality, but we'll make sure they'll get enough concentrates to make up for the silage if it's not the highest quality. The quality should be, bales they're usually good, and then we have third cup, it's good enough quality, but we'll make it up with the concentrate. So
you're talking probably early 70s DMD silage.
Yes.
And a kilo concentrate throughout the winter, just to keep them tipping over.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're here today, heifers are out grazing, I suppose. When is normal turnout? I know it's early March now, you're probably a little bit behind, would you say? Would this be the normal time or what?
March time we'd be looking to get them out. We're always trying to get them out. We have an out farm for the heifers and we want to get them out, but it all depends on the weather. But March time we'd always be looking to get them out the grass, so we would.
Right, and I suppose the protocol do you weigh them before they go out, or what way, or when were these last weighed?
They were weighed the start of March, so we weighed them, we'll weigh them before they go out just to see where they're at, and we want them on target for breeding season, but we weighed them at the start of the month and they're all on target, they're well over target, so we're happy how things are going so far.
So I think the batch, when we looked at them on ICBF the other day, we're averaging just over 330 odd kilos, give or take.
Yes, yeah, no, they're doing very well.
They're well on target, for that 350 kilos at Bullen,
Yeah, no, it's we keep them out long enough in the winter, keep them out the grass as long as we can, just to get the most out of the grass. So yeah, and it does help them a lot. And when you get them out early, they do grow as well. It's all about getting them out.
I suppose you've mentioned the grass piece there. I suppose having the infrastructure on the out farm, having been on your out farm, you are set up with paddock sizes, you are set up with handling facilities and central roadways, I suppose, and good water system.
Yes.
How vital is that to train to your heifer rearing?
It's so important, because you need to have a simple system, because it's an out farm. It's not like me and my dad, we both can't go to the out farm all the time, so you need it to be suitable for one person to manage it, and it's a super system, and whenever we want to move it, we just let them out and they'll go to the next paddock. It's easy done, and it's a great system for us. So
it's easy for grassland management. It's easy to remove surpluses, I suppose, as well. Yes. And as you say, most importantly, it's a one-man operation when you go out to the out farm.
Yes, it is. Yes,
fantastic. I suppose moving on into now, we're going to be thinking about it over the next lot of months, is the breeding season for them. I suppose, what is the breeding protocol with your heifers?
We synchronise our heifers, so we do. We have been for the last 4 or 5 years, and we follow the same program the vets give us, and we breed around the middle of May, and we just work them in the same time as when we're breeding our cows. So it works well for us, getting the heifers in early. The calving season, it's always worked well now, in fairness.
Very good. You've mentioned there you're syncing the heifers use of sex semen.
Yeah.
How has that been working over the last number of years on farm?
It's been working very well. It's a very easy system. We do it all in the one day. Well, we inject them the few days before them and get them cycling. And yeah, no, it's working really well. We get them all AI'd. It saves us going over to the farm a few times a day. It just saves the extra labour we don't need, and no, it works super for us. Like, yes, we wouldn't go back. Like, it's going well.
Very good. Conception rates, what are we seeing on the ground?
Well, conception with the heifers was about 62%. Like, it was super year last year for heifers. Like, they just held well and they were hitting target weights. They're just in good condition last year's heifers. And it's just, no, it's a great ease. So it is when we have them all calving like early. Like, we have our calves like early within the first 2 or 3 weeks, and we have our heifers got already, and that makes them hit weight easier because they're calved earlier. And now we're just beef calves now, and it's a simple system. We're going to get our calves on target now.
Yeah, so getting them calves early on the ground is giving them the longest time possible to keep on target weight before breeding season again. Like,
absolutely, yeah.
Fantastic.
It's vital to get them early, so it is.
So Brendan, you mentioned there you're using a sync program and sex semen. How are you handling the repeats coming off that sync program?
We beef AI, so we do.
Okay, and then I suppose you mentioned the heifers are on an out farm. How are you handling the further repeats after that again then?
We have a beef stock bull, so we do an Angus bull, and it cleans up the rest. Save us having to watch it. If got any more repeats, it works well that way for us.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Brendan, for having us, and Kieran, and again, a smashing batch of heifers, well on target. So please God, best of luck in the breeding season ahead.
Thank you.